Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the BeBalanced Pismo Beach podcast. I am Sophie Cucchiara, and I am joined today by the owner of the BeBalanced Pismo Beach location. So he is very special. He's also my dad. So we work very closely together, not necessarily day to day in the business, but we do collaborate a lot together. And he is just an amazing mentor, an amazing partner. So welcome, Coach Chris Cucchiara, to the podcast.
Well, thank you for having me, Sophie.
Yeah.
It's as exciting as your father. I couldn't be more proud. So, gosh, I get to be on the podcast with you now. I feel special.
Pretty darn special.
Pretty cool. Thank you.
Yeah. Well, I just wanted us to jump on here today to really tell our listeners and our viewers, why did you want to bring BeBalanced to the Central Coast? What did you feel was missing? Why? How? How did it all begin?
Well, they always talk about an overnight success. So my overnight success story is about 43 years. That's all it took. But why did we bring BeBalanced to the Central Coast? Let me back up a little bit and kind of share my story, how I got into this industry, and I think it'll help the viewers understand why we're so excited about BeBalanced and how it's so different than everything else out there. So let me take you back in time a little bit. I got involved in the industry at 21 years old. Mm-hmm. As you know, you've heard my story, but we'll let the listeners.
I could hear it all the time. I love it.
You might learn something new today. But so 1980, I'm 21 years old. I opened my first gym. It was a bodybuilding gym. Got really excited, never played sports, was that guy that got sand kicked in his face and picked on in school. So I thought, I'm going to really start building my body, get big, and then I'm going to go after those guys that used to pick on me. But, once I reached that goal and started watching my body grow, my self-esteem grew, and I had no interest in going back to track those guys down. But I started learning a lot about nutrition. I started watching my body transform by things I ate and what I did in the gym, and started learning self-taught, really, nutrition. And then I got involved in competitive bodybuilding, which took it even to another level, because here we are losing 20, 30, 40, 50 pounds sometimes going into a competition.
Yeah.
Having to get down to 3% body fat. You really had to understand what people call the micro and macronutrients, protein, carbohydrates, fats. And
it's a true science. And when you do it yourself, you could read about it in a book all day long or hear someone teaching you, but until you've experienced it yourself, I'm sorry, you just don't understand it in the same way.
Absolutely. No, and when you've got to get up on stage in a Speedo, you want to make sure you're looking pretty good. And so it's not about, how do you look in clothes? We needed to get down to 3-4% body fat. And to do that, it was a science. It really was. The training was important. Mm-hmm. But 80% of watching the body change came through what we ate and what we didn't eat. Yeah. And we learned so much about how to take a competitive athlete, and I took bodybuilding to the top level of amateur, and learned a lot. But, during those years in the gym business, beyond my bodybuilding career, I worked with thousands of other people, from the stay-at-home mom that just had a baby that wanted to work off that, to that elite athlete, and everything in between. So, I had an incredible journey. We were a bodybuilding gym for 4 years, then we expanded into a full family fitness center, and then eventually, from 4,000 feet to 8,000 feet to 25,000 feet, and started working with people from all walks of life, and you start to learn a lot. And even for myself, as a competitive bodybuilder, people think, well, you've been in the industry all this years, it's easy for you to eat right, and all that stuff comes easy to you, and that's not true. I mean, I've been up as high as 285 pounds and down as low as 215. So I've gone through that roller coaster ride too, and always trained and healthy, but I got to watch my body transform from 285 pounds down to 235 pounds and competing at 5-6% body fat. And so to do that, you've really got to understand nutrition. Mm-hmm. Now, through my career, I've seen every other weight loss program out there. Not only have I seen it, I've probably experienced it. And so this is the first time in my 40-year career that I've ever endorsed a weight loss program. Takes a lot. As you know, I did due diligence on BeBalanced. I looked at it. We all went on the program. We spent 7 months in that process. We had 20 other clients that went on the program, and we really got the beta test it. And I thought, wow, there's no magic bullet. We all know, you know, for those of you out there looking for that magic bullet, I'm sorry to tell you, I've been. If it was out there, I would have found it. Trust me, I would have found it.
And it would be like millions of dollars to go through this magic bullet program.
Exactly. You know, so. But what I liked about the BeBalanced is it's real food. It's whole food nutrition. It's a system. It's a 14-week program. And it walks people through a process that teaches them how to eat for the rest of their life. And as you know, I'm all about lifestyle. You know, there's no one thing that you have to do. But most people don't understand how to eat right. You know, we think it's easy for everybody because we've been doing it our whole life. But a lot of people, they don't really understand that. And what I love about BeBalanced is, as you know, it walks people through step by step, step by step. And again, for me to put my name on something, it takes a lot. We all have to have a business that makes money, but everybody that knows me knows that I'm not going to sell something that I don't personally get behind and that I haven't personally done myself, which I have. And you know, here I am, the health coach, and I lost 25 pounds on the program, you know, and I thought, wow. And people thought, well, you didn't need to lose 25 pounds. I go, well, I did. So I must have had 25 pounds of excess that I needed to lose. And, you know, one of the things that really is so important that people need to understand when they're losing weight, it all comes down to that visceral body fat that is in the body. And so a lot of people are worried about the cosmetic part of how their skin looks. It's loose and that stuff that flaps around. And, it's no fun from a cosmetic standpoint, but the dangerous fat is the visceral fat. And one of the things that the BeBalanced program does is really help people lose that visceral fat, and that is the most important thing they can do for longevity. And, you know, the higher the visceral fat, the higher risk of cardiovascular disease.
Yes, absolutely. So you lost the 25 pounds, and you've been able to really keep it off this whole time, right? So it was over a year ago you went through the program.
It was over a year in March, and it's probably, you know, I think I've flattened about 20, so I've put on an extra 5 pounds, but that's probably muscle because I upped the protein, started increasing my workouts. But no, I've still been able to keep the 20 pounds off for, you know, over a year now.
So awesome. What would you say, like, if someone is trying to compare, like, BeBalanced to, I don't know, some other, like, bars and shakes program? I know you said, like, it's a lifestyle, but, like, can you give some of your 40 years of wisdom to, you know, some?
Well, I think a lot of things, people, there's this idea when they want to lose weight that they need to cut calories and they got to starve themselves. And they may only eat 1 or 2 meals a day, or it's bars and shakes, and all that stuff is okay, but there's just not enough nutrition in that, you know, the bars and shakes. Those are supplements. Those aren't food. Right? You know, and all these kind of shakes and bar programs out there, people think they're easy because all I got to do is eat a bar, drink a shake. Well, if those things work so well,
why are there so many of them out there?
You know, BeBalanced wouldn't be as successful as it is. And, you know, of course, the big component that we focus on is helping people balance their hormones too. And dealing with the estrogen dominance. And again, people are eating real food. This isn't packaged food. It's not bars. We do have a shake at a certain time in the program that people can substitute. But again, it's a supplement. We're teaching people how to eat real food so that when they're finished with the program, they're still going to be eating real food. And now they understand that. You're not going to eat shakes and bars for the rest of your life and not bring in whole food into your diet. You can, but it's not sustainable. It's not sustainable at all.
Exactly. Do you want to add anything to, you know, share any more about just the main reasoning for bringing it here to the Central Coast, or just what was the gap that you saw?
Absolutely. Yeah, great question. You know, we have a center here, Regenesis 360. We work with people to, you know, achieve the greatest lifestyle they can in health and wellness. But the missing link for us was even the weight loss component, you know. Everybody that comes into the center, you know, even if it's 5 pounds to 50 pounds, everyone's always looking to lose weight. And all the other things that we were doing so well with Regenesis 360, the missing link was the weight loss component. And that was probably one of the big decisions of why we wanted to bring BeBalanced to the Central Coast, so that we can support people better that way. And look, here's the sad reality. The fastest growing segment of obesity is childhood obesity right now, okay? So the only way we're going to solve that problem is to help their parents first learn how to eat right and educate them. You know, people only know what they know. And, you know, we could look back and we could say, oh, my gosh, how could they let themselves get that way? Well, it's easy. You know, you can gain 5 pounds a year. In 20 years, you've gained 100 pounds, you know, and that's just what happens. It creeps up on people. So I'm absolutely passionate about the next generation and, as you know, about legacy. And I want to help all the parents and grandparents out there, teaching them how to eat right for the rest of their life so that that will trickle down to their youth.
Yeah. Oh, absolutely. That goes back to like the whole philosophy, which I kind of know you really connected with, the like butterfly effect that BeBalanced talks about, is like you make a change at home with the mom and then the dad maybe starts to get on board too. And then it trickles down to the kids and it just sets this new tone for the, like you said, the next generation. So
absolutely. And we have to, you know, there's one thing that will bankrupt this country, and it's the healthcare system. And so if we're already seeing children with dealing with obesity and diabetes, you know, it's not going to get any better. And so we want to do our part, at least here on the Central Coast and across the country with all the other BeBalanced locations. I'm excited because it's needed. And look, people will understand the greatest investment they can ever make is in their health. You never know how important your health is until you lose it.
So true.
You know, and in my 40 years, I've seen people that didn't take care of themselves and lose it. And I've seen people that have taken care of themselves and the benefit that it's given them, you know, their whole life. And it does start in our home. And,
absolutely.
And us guys think we're the ones that always got to figure it out, but it's the wives and the women in our lives. They organize the house, that do the food and everything else. So when they get on board, we're on board.
Yeah. And it's like, it's never too late to start, right? Like, it doesn't matter if we're 65, 85 years old. It's never too late to have a good quality of life.
Never too late. Doesn't matter what age you are. And, you know, as you know, we've worked with people in their 80s too.
We do.
You know, my mom herself is 86 and she follows the same eating plan as we do. So it's never too late.
That's awesome. Well, thank you so much for jumping on here with me today. This was just great. And I'm glad we finally got to connect our busy schedules and make this happen. So thank you. Thank you.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, you're so welcome.
All right.
For everybody listening and watching our channel, thank you so much. And thank you very much to all of our clients. And we look forward to meeting all of anybody new in the future. We definitely are not just a weight loss center. We are a natural hormone balancing center that aids in boosting energy, improving sleep, helping our mood stabilize out, regulating periods, menopause symptoms, all of the things. And then, of course, weight loss ends up being that amazing bonus that is achieved through all of the other aspects as well. So thank you to everybody. And if you have any questions or are curious about what we do at BeBalanced, give us a call, 805-409-9702, or visit our website at www.bebalancedcenters.com. And we take clients all over California, different states, Central Coast, of course. Come into our center. We're located at 2 James Way, Suite 205, and we're in Pismo Beach. Thank you again.